Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In this video, we are continuing the previous video, that is for class 10th of state syllabus, that is assessment test conducted in the month of October. Okay. So I'm giving solutions of the question paper. So in the previous video we solved question 2. Now question 3 guys, write a linear equation with two variables that forms pair of parallel lines with 2x plus 3y minus 5. So we need to give the example of parallel line, pair of parallel lines for the given equation guys. How to solve? Let's start. See. So this is a given parallel line, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation 1. So what is the condition for parallel lines guys? A1, the coefficient of x should be same, the coefficient of y should be same in both the equations and differ by constant. So I wrote a formula here. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So differ by constant. If A1 and A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are same and differ by constant, then we can say that those lines are parallel lines. Those equations are parallel lines. So I took other equation which is parallel to the equation 1, that is 4x. Instead of 3y I took other value, that is 6y, and I differ by constant y. Therefore 1 and 2 are parallel lines guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.